Welcome to Stock Market 101, a beginner's guide to investing in stocks. If you've always wanted to invest in the stock market but feel overwhelmed by all the jargon and complexities, this video is here to simplify it for you. So, what exactly is the stock market? In simple terms, it's a place where buyers and sellers come together to trade stocks. Stocks represent partial ownership in a company, and when you invest in stocks, you become a shareholder. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand the concept of risk and reward. Stocks inherently involve risks, but they also offer the potential for high rewards. Remember, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Research is key. Make sure to thoroughly understand the companies you're interested in investing in. Look into their financial statements, industry trends, and management team. This will help you make informed decisions about which stocks to invest in. Diversification is essential. Spreading your investments across different industries and sectors can help mitigate risks. This way, even if one industry is doing poorly, the others may offset any losses. Investing for the long term is often a sound strategy. While short-term market fluctuations can be unsettling, the stock market has historically delivered positive returns over the long run. So, be patient and think long-term. It's important to have a plan. Determine your investment goals, establish a budget, and stick to it. Set realistic expectations and don't be swayed by market hype or volatility. Lastly, seek professional advice if needed. Investing can be complex, and a financial advisor can provide guidance tailored to your individual situation. Remember, investing in stocks is a journey. It takes time, patience, and continuous learning. So, take it one step at a time, educate yourself, and always stay informed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful in your journey to invest in stocks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on personal finance and investing. Happy investing!